Today our lesson is angles. Now look at the board. When two straight lines are joined together, the joining point make an angle. Look at here. Here, see, two straight lines joined together make an angle, right? Now we'll see the first figure. You can see. We'll name this A, B, and C. But can you see here there's an angle, right? A standard units to measure the angles we use as degrees, right? Degrees, you can write 1 degree like this, 2 degree, 1 degree, 2 degrees, 3 degrees, like that, right? Now normally we measure the angles using the, I will show you, protractor like this. This is the baseline of the protractor. You can keep the protractor here. When you keep the protractor on the diagram, here it shows 90 degrees here, ABC corner, right? We'll see A, B, C corner shows us 90 degrees. We name it as a right angle. That's a right angle. Right. Now, I will show you. We call this a right angle. Then, if I move this arm AB towards this side, towards BC, we'll see AB. I will try to move towards BC side. Then here it is below than 90 degrees. We measure the corner in degrees. Now when AB lines comes towards BC, it will become less than 90 degrees. I will show you an angle like this. Here, see. That is an angle. We'll name this as X, Y, Z. That is less than 90 degrees. We name this angle as acute angle. What is that angle? Acute angle. That is a acute angle. That is in acute angle, the angle is less than 90 degrees. Okay, got it? Acute angle. In an acute angle, the corner is less than 90 degrees. That means when using the protractor, I showed you. When we measure the corner that is 90 degrees, it may be from maybe 1 degree up to 89 degrees. Maybe the angle is 60 degrees. We can measure using a protractor. Or 30 degrees, that according to the angle. Okay, then if we move the AB arm away from BC, we'll see. Now we call AB, ABC, that is a right angle. If we move AB arm away from BC, what will happen? Yes, we'll name this as Y, YBC. That is no more right angle. That is a obtuse angle. We'll introduce this as obtuse angle. What's the angle? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. In that angle, what can you see? That is over than 90 degrees. In obtuse angles, the angle, when we measure the angle, it is more than 90 degrees in obtuse angle. In acute angle, that is less than 90 degrees. Okay, got it? In acute angle, the angle is less than 90 degrees. That is less than 90 degrees. In obtuse angle, that is more than 90 degrees. What is this angle? We'll name this as DEF. In DEF angle, that is, yes, accurately that is 90 degrees, we name this as a right angle. Right, now we'll write DEF. DEF angle, that is already 90 degrees. We know. We can measure using a Protractor. Here that is 90 degrees. We'll name this XYZ. XYZ. That angle is less than 90 degrees. Can you see the angle XYZ angle? That is less than 90 degrees. Below 90 degrees. Okay, we can write like this here. 90 degrees. Below 90 degrees. This is equal DEF angle, that's a right angle, that is already same to 90 degrees. When we take this XYZ angle, that is less than 90 degrees, we'll name this angle as DEF ABC. Okay, ABC. ABC. ABC angle is, what do you think? Yes, that is more than 90 degrees. ABC, that is more than 90 degrees. Okay, when we move to this, we introduce this as straight angle. Yeah, there are two right angles here. That means here 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, it makes 180 degrees, right? We'll name this as PQR. PQR. That angle is 180 degrees. Then we learn DEF as a right angle, that is already 90 degrees. Then we learn XYZ, that is an acute angle, that is less than 90 degrees. Then ABC, we'll come to ABC, that is obtuse angle, that is more than 90 degrees. When we come to PQR, that is a straight angle, that is actually already that is 180 degrees. Then we'll move to this one. We'll name this as GHI. GHI. When we discuss about this side, GHI, we name this as reflex. Reflex GHI angle, that is reflex. Reflex GHI angle. GHI angle, that is already more than, what do you think? That is, it gives 90 degrees here. That is 90 degrees. That is already gives more than 90 degrees. Okay, we can tell. Here think about the straight angle. When we make it as a straight angle, that is here, that is more than 180 degrees, right? It reflects GHI angle, that is more than 180 degrees. Okay. Now we can give examples for right angle DEF. When we take from our surrounding, we can find out right angles. I will show you here, corner of this book. That is actually a right angle. And when you see, can you see this clock face? The time is 3 o'clock. Two hands shows a right angle. When it comes to 9 o'clock, that's already gives us a right angle here. And edge of this board, we can find a right angle there. Then we come to acute angles. I can show you here. This is a acute angle, right? Then what else we can find out from our surrounding? spokes of a wheel. Can you remember spokes of a wheel? A wheel in between spokes. That gives us acute angles. Okay. Then I will explain again as a summary. Today we learn about angles. First we learn DEF as an right angle. That's a right angle. Already 90 degrees. Right? Next we learn XYZ, that is acute angle. That is less than 90 degrees. Then we learn obtuse angle, that is more than 90 degrees. That is more than 90 degrees. Then we learn PQR as straight angle. Straight angle, that is already 180 degrees. Then we learn reflex GHI angle. Reflex GHI angle. Reflex GHI angle, that is already, that is more than 180 degrees. I think you learn a lot about angles. You got a good knowledge about angles. I will explain one more thing. We'll think, if I will draw, right, see, think about, this is a right angle, and if we know, we'll name this A, B, C, X. We know ABC angle is a right angle, that is 90 degrees. If we name XBC, if it is 60 degrees, XBC is 60 degrees, can you find out the angle of ABX? Yes, that's the question, right? ABC is 90 degrees, this is X, XBC is 60 degrees. We have to find ABX angle. Yes, what we have to do? We have to deduct 60 from 90 degrees. The answer is 30 degrees. Okay, a good lesson under angles. You can subscribe my channel, then you will get all the lessons.